we often hear about how we can go about generating generational wealth through real estate and things of that such. One person that comes to mind is Conrad Hilton. Paris Hilton is an heir. She's definitely benefiting from the blueprint. Okay, and now they can take the fortunes in which they've amassed to pay it forward for many more generations to come and keep it within the family, with the family name on it, with the family branding on it. And we can do something similar. Okay, with the resort hotels and the chains that were created, you can do that again on perhaps a micro level, but it can be done nonetheless. So here's what you would like to do, and here's how. You do it through Airbnb. We've all heard of Airbnb. This is no secret. Okay, it's one of the most natural methods in which you can go about setting up a consistent stream of income month after month. Okay, and that's a popular app. And if you own property or you're currently involved in real estate, this is an excellent tool in which you can use depending on the location of your property. I think location is key when applying this, because if you're in Miami or California, perhaps you have some property that's near a resort, or maybe you can offer someone a better deal if they're willing to drive a little bit away from the beach. Okay, if you're down south, maybe you want to have it close to the freeway for the truckers, or for people who want to, come and explore wherever your place may be, XYZ place on the map or here in the nation. So keeping those things in mind, we're just going to go over some little figures. What you see here on the screen is just the steps that you can take to set it up. So I'll be scrolling slowly through this, and I'll also place it in the information box below. So with Airbnb, the game plan is to stay focused on short rentals. Okay, that way we can continue to flip it, get them in and get them out. So let's anticipate you pay $900 per month in rent. You list it on Airbnb for $80 to $120 a night. Okay, let's say you do that in most markets. Okay, and to be conservative, let's count on let's say you lease it out for 4 nights a week. Okay, so that's 16 nights per month, or $1,280. Now, after paying your rent, you've earned an additional $380 off top. Okay, now you can put that money to the side and then perhaps be able to invest in another property, or maybe even help pay off. Maybe you're in a rent to own and you want to pay it off a little quicker. Renegotiate your terms. Pay off where you're currently living. Continue to do the Airbnb, and then acquire other properties. That's should be the long game. But for the short game, you can earn a little money off the top just by doing this. And mind you, you're doing this repeatedly. Okay. So you've been able to earn it in a convenient $1,900 month after month, gross. And again, as I mentioned, the thing is, if you stay near a massive city or a vacation destination, then you should definitely be able to cash in on this. So do some research about your area, research the Airbnb website, and see how you can go about getting involved, and also consider how you would go about pricing it, taking photos. Here's some more tips and things that you all should consider if you're going to look into it. Again, this is nothing new under the sun, but something that you should definitely look into, because it doesn't require much of a budget. Just keeping the place that you live in clean. Maybe a month comes up where you're a little short. Clean up the place, put it on Airbnb, and let's see if you can get yourself a tenant in there. So burn some incense and make it home for someone else. So that's going to do it for today, everyone. I want to thank you for your time. As always, like, share, subscribe, but most importantly, apply. For more information, reach out to me directly down in the comment section below. Perhaps we can set up a one-on-one consultation. This is something that I'm currently attempting to invest in, so I can have a property that's in an ideal location for people that are vacationing. Thank you all. Have a great one.